Bluey and Bingo dashed out the door, tails wagging, eyes shining, shouting, "The beach is waiting!" Sand crunched under their paws, waves crashed loud, seagulls screamed above. Bluey gasped, "Do you feel that breeze?" Bingo twirled, laughing, "It's like the ocean is calling us." Could a day start more perfect? Bluey and Bingo sprinted toward the water, splashing as cold waves rushed over their paws. Bingo squealed, "It's freezing." Bluey shouted, "That makes it even better." They ran back and forth, dodging foam, chasing gulls, slipping, tumbling, laughing louder every second. Suddenly Dad stomped behind them, holding a giant bucket. He roared, "Let's build the tallest sandcastle in the world." Bluey cheered, "Yes." Bingo pointed at a perfect spot, right there by the big rock. Mom spread out a towel, smiling, "This should be good." Could teamwork build something legendary? Bluey and Bingo shoveled fast, sand flying everywhere. Dad patted towers, Bingo dug tunnels, Bluey decorated with shells. Muffin and Socks ran over, shouting, "We want in." Soon the castle rose higher, wider, stronger, waves crashing dangerously close. Crash! A huge wave slammed the edge, knocking one tower down. Bluey gasped, "No!" Bingo jumped forward, blocking with her tiny paws, shouting, "Protect the castle." Dad laughed, "Rebuild." Stronger. Everyone worked faster, piling sand, shaping walls, reinforcing tunnels. Could they beat the sea itself? As the tide rose, the castle stood tall, glowing under the sun. Bluey raised her paw, proud, "We did it!" But then, splash, another wave destroyed the front wall. All pups screamed, then burst into unstoppable laughter. Bingo collapsed in the sand, panting, smiling huge. That was the best battle ever. Bluey pointed at the horizon, and the ocean won, but we had fun. Dad dropped in the sand with a dramatic groan, Mom laughed while taking pictures, Muffin and Socks rolled in the water. Bluey turned to us, eyes sparkling, "If your heart raced with ours, if you laughed with every wave, like this adventure, subscribe."